Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And this video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp app account on two devices. So WhatsApp now allows users to link up to 4 additional devices including phones to the same account. This feature is called companion mode and allows you to use a single WhatsApp account on all of your devices. Chats, contacts and groups will be synchronized across devices. So here's how you can set a WhatsApp companions mode. So you can download and install WhatsApp on the additional phones you want to use, and instead of entering the phone number associated with your WhatsApp account, tap the link to existing account and option to generate a QR code. On your primary phone you can tap on the settings or the link devices. So from there you can tap on the link a device and now scan the QR code using your phone's camera. And once the QR code is scanned and the signs is complete, you will be able to see all the conversation that you have had on your primary phone. So each linked phone connects to the WhatsApp independently and ensuring that your personal messages, media, and calls are end-to-end encrypted. You can switch between phones without signing out and pick up your chats where you left off. So note that if your primary phone is inactive for a long period of the time, you will be automatically logged out of all your companions devices. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.